Hello, Sunbeams 1. This is going to be lesson 17, so I'm going to keep it really short because I know it's hard to focus on a video thing, but we'll sing our song. And we'll say it's cold outside, okay? Let's peek. When the sun peeks from behind the clouds, the sunbeams sing and play. We will be together when it's cold, it is our music day. Then we'll see who's joining in the fun. Clap your hands and tap your toes, keep time with everyone. When we join our hands and circle round, the sunbeams bring a smile. We will be together in our class and happy all the while. Then we'll see who's joining us today. Hello, Casher, hello, Dylan, we're both here to play. Okay, say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so scale and everything we will deal with on Wednesday, and we'll work on both weeks of what we need to cover. I want you to listen to some Vivaldi music this week. I want you to listen to Vivaldi's Four Seasons, okay? So Vivaldi was a composer from the Baroque era, and that was way back in the 1600s. From 1600 to approximately 1750 is the Baroque era. And he was a violinist. So he composed a piece of music that's called the Four Seasons. And there's spring, summer, winter, and fall. So I want you to listen to part of the spring. They're long. You don't need to listen to the whole thing, but I want you to draw a picture of what you think of when you hear the spring music, when you hear the summer music, when you hear the winter, when you hear the fall. And Vivaldi's music is what's called programmatic music, and it makes us think of something specific. So springtime, we might be thinking of the grass popping out of the ground. In winter, snow blowing and the wind and everything is coming down, or wind is blowing and flakes are coming down. It's just not nice at all. So listen to parts of each season of the Four Seasons, okay? Page 59, we are doing addition, so that means we put them together. So our whole note is 4 counts. If we add one more, then we have 5. A quarter note is 1 count, so if we have 3 of those, how many are we going to have? And remember, 2/8 notes is 1 count, so there's 1 count, 2 counts, 3 counts, and a half rest. We could put our little happy face underneath there. And it gets 2 counts, okay? Then the next page over, we are looking at our CA bridge. So we've done our CG bridge last week. This is CA, so our thumb goes up 1 note more, and it's going to be a big stretch to go up there. And then we'll start playing that after we've met on Wednesday. And the next page over is, again, our Vivaldi page. So we have numbers on our notes up here, and if it's number 1, you're going to put a capital, note name is a capital A in there, okay? So that and playing W3, I want you to play line 1 and line 3. And this is over and above our festival pieces, but this one's really good to get our hands moving in the proper chords. So our CG and our CA, and our thumb just comes up that little bit, okay? And I think that is probably all that we need to look at today. We'll have a quick look at staccato music, which is bouncy and detached, and we know to play it that way. because on case 60, there's those little dots above or can be below if it's in the treble clef or lower in the bass clef. And that means that it's detached or bouncy. And it gives a totally different sound. This is legato as opposed to staccato. Okay, so pretty sure that gives you lots. We will meet to work on our performance workshop with the other kids. And then we'll meet on Wednesday doing the same format that we've done the last few weeks to work on lesson 16. And this is your lesson 17. So we'll go through a few more things on Wednesday that we would need to cover with this. And Dylan, we need to book a time for you to come online with me and we can work on your composition. So if you could send me a text for that, that would be great. And otherwise, I think this will do it. And we'll see you on Wednesday. So we'll say goodbye. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. One more thing, festival will be an online festival. We'll know more information about that in the next day or so, but they have made that decision. And if you could send me your child's age and the 2 pieces that they are going to play for music festival, I will send you class numbers and everything will open online next week. And there's a 5-day window that we get to register. So I will be reminding you of that. But if you can send me their pieces and their age, then I can at least get you class numbers and then everything will be set up to go with that. So have a really good week and I'll see you on Wednesday.